So welcome to Tech News Friday for February 28, 2025. So in this episode, Apple new iPhone 17 leak renders has been posted. Kind of look like a pixel. I'm not sure if Apple users will like it. We gotta talk about it. Next, when will your Galaxy device receive Android 15, oneui 7? When will it come to your devices? Well, a leak roadmap list will probably disappoint a lot of Samsung users. Why, Samsung? Why you're always in the news? Next, I'm a huge fan of BlackBerry. I'm currently using a Unihertz device with a keyboard kind of in my lineup. But I see this company called Clicks is coming out with an Android version of their keyboard accessory. We already know that it's been out on Apple, but now it's coming to Android, and I'm happy to see it. We gotta talk about it. And lastly, I've been using the Galaxy S25 Ultra for the past week. My thoughts, good or bad, I keep it real no matter what. So let's have some fun. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome to another Tech News Friday. First, I want to give a shout out to Erica. She did a great job on last week's Tech News Friday. Her show was ranked very high and the comments was great. She will be a part of Tech News Friday, so stay tuned. But I do want to thank all the supporters for supporting her, and the comments was absolutely great. But you know what? Let's get into the news. So every year, we, the fans, ask smartphone companies to do something fresh, something new. Well, as you know, Apple has been keeping the same design since 2019 when it comes down to their iPhones. Yeah, you remember the iPhone 11? It's been the same design year over year, but these leaks may have some changes coming. Well, there was some iPhone 17 leaks posted, and the features kind of look like a Google Pixel, right? With this pill-shaped design. And there's other designs that was leaked kind of look crazy. I'm not sure whether or not Apple want to go down this road, but that's definitely different. If you asking for something different, you might get something different. Look, I checked out some communities and I saw a post on Reddit, and most of the people on the Reddit post was not happy about the leaked images. As you can see, there's a total of 4 devices that's rendered in this leak. And in my opinion, all 4 of them looks really bad. Hopefully Apple will rethink this and come back strong with their new iPhone lineup. So let me know down in the comments below. Do you like it? Is it good? Is it bad? I want to hear your thoughts about these renders of the iPhone 17. Okay, so next on the list, why is it so hard for Samsung to roll out Android 15 to older devices like the S24 or the Z Fold 6? I mean, Samsung looking like Motorola right now. Think about it. Most of the competition is enjoying Android 15 for months now. But the leaked roadmap look even worse. If it's true, it looks kind of bad. Look, the good folks at Phone Arena posted a screenshot of a user that was on the Samsung Zoom call. And as you know, people take screenshots of all kinds of things and they go post it no matter what. Well, this roadmap from Samsung, if it's true, has the Galaxy S24 series of devices getting Android 15 oneui 7 until April, which Android 16 will be out a few months later. So I'm not sure about this. Look, I believe Samsung is running some type of experiment here to see how much they can sell the S25 devices and holding on to the OS, gatekeeping it from older devices. Now, look, I know the Samsung fans will come out and say, well, you know, Samsung got to get it right. I mean, One UI is a huge update. Give it some time. I'd rather Samsung get it right than get it wrong. Well, I'm calling BS on this, guys. Come on now. See, Samsung is milking it. They are gatekeeping the operating system. You mean to tell me one of the largest companies in the world that sell $1,300+ devices that promise 7 years of updates, can't even release an update, make it make sense. If this is Samsung's new strategy, then they will be practically months behind the competition when it comes down to updates. The question is are you okay with that? Leave your comments down below. I want to hear your thoughts about it. Is gatekeeping the OS as good for Samsung or as bad for the users? Let me know down in the comments. So I've been begging a company to release a BlackBerry type device that's awesome with a good keyboard and up-to-date specs that's powerful. As you know, I've been using the Unihertz Titan Slim, and it's okay. But the good guys at Clicks finally making a keyboard case for Android. So I watched Mr. Mobile's video, and I was excited to see him and his team working hard to make some Android device cases with that nostalgia look and feel. Look, it definitely looked good on the Motorola flip devices that they showed off in the video. And the video did mention a keyboard case that they're working on for the S25. That would be great. Look, I'm so happy to see someone that has BlackBerry in their minds. I absolutely love devices with keyboards. I would keep you posted on their progress, but I want to give a huge shout to Mr. Mobile and his team for finally porting over a keyboard case for Android, because it's already been on iOS and iPhones, but it's time to diversify, and they are doing it. I would keep you posted of their progress. Thank you, Mr. Mobile. Okay, so I've been using the Galaxy S25 Ultra for the past week, and here's my thoughts in about 2 minutes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a great phone with a beautiful design. Of course, right? The display is great, as with all Samsung devices. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor is fantastic. It's fast, it's fluid, it's epic in every way. We know this already. It feels good in the hand. The design is good. The cameras are good. Yeah, it's okay, right? One UI 7, Android 15 is definitely good. I got to get used to some of the features of it, but it's good. Some of the things I don't like is, of course, no Bluetooth functionality with the S Pen. Don't like that. Battery life is meh so far, but I've only been having it for about a week. But as you know, I rock OnePlus 12 and Tank devices, which has better battery life to me, using it so far. But yeah, I mean, it's okay. If you're coming from a device like the S23 Ultra or the S24 Ultra, those devices are fantastic. And plus, when they get Android 15 One UI 7, there's no need to upgrade. Been saying that for a while. You know, I mean, look, I believe that even if you have the Galaxy S22 Ultra, you could probably rock it another year till the wheels fall off. But I do have more videos coming out for the S25 Ultra. To me, it's okay. But if you have older legacy devices, once you get, One UI 7, Android 15, I don't believe you need to upgrade. But stay tuned for more. I got a lot of stuff coming. So if you want to see more Friday news, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about Tech News Friday in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.